You see me look over into my rearview mirror, and then you see me look forward, and nothing changes. Okay? So what just happened? I ignored you. What else?
Probably you were mad.
I was mad. Okay, what else?
I
might have been daydreaming. Okay. So some people say I ignored them. Some people say this. So now here's the thing. What happened in reality is I looked 45 degrees up and to the right, and I looked back forward. Your story in your head is I ignored you, I did this, I did that. How many people when you go outside does it rain, as opposed to how many people in here when you go outside does it rain on them? Have you ever met someone in your life that they feel the Earth and the solar system revolves around them? Don't point to them, they're right next to you. This lady over here like, all right, got it.